Pebble Go is a great place for reading and for research. So let's log on and learn how to use this great tool. First thing we're going to press is login in the top right hand corner. And we are going to log in with Pebble Go. Our username is FCPS and our password is FCPS. And then we're going to press go. Now, here are some topics: animals, science, biographies, social studies. So these are all great topics that we could read information about. We could do some research. I'm going to start by going to the animals section. So when we click on the animals section, do you see all the animals that come up? Different things about the animals, the behavior, the classification. We can also use our headphones to listen to this information. For example, I'm going to roll over, put my mouse on the
animal habitats, birds, animal classification, animal behavior.
So that's another great thing about this program, is you can listen to it. So I'm going to go into, let's say birds.
Birds.
And when I click on birds, now we have birds of prey,
penguins, songbirds, other birds.
And I understand we are going to be talking about the cardinal. So I see, this is a little hint right here. The cardinal in songbird. So I'm going to click on it. And now I'm looking for a particular type of bird, a cardinal. And I know that a cardinal is red. But there's also blue jays, crows, orioles, robins, sparrows. So now let's go into cardinal. I call this the breadcrumb map. So we started here at animals. Then we went to birds. And then we went to songbirds. Now if I wanted to go back to birds, it even says back to birds, or back to animals, or even back to the home screen. So we can click on any of these pictures up at the top to go back a screen. Let's continue going to cardinals and learn about cardinals. Alright, there's a lot of things that we can learn about cardinals. If you have your headphones on, you can press this button and listen to the story or the information being read. So I'm going to do that right now.
Cardinals are songbirds. They are 8 to 9 inches, 20 to 23 centimeters tall. Cardinals have a crest on their head. Adult males are bright red. Females are grayish-brown.
I love cardinals. I see them all the time. Now, if I was doing research on cardinals, there's a ton of things I could learn about. We talked about the body of a cardinal. We could also do the habitat to find out where they live. We could do the food, the life cycle, fun facts about the animal or bird, and then related articles. So things that we could also read about for this type would be blue jays and orioles. I'm going to go back to the habitat. Okay, where do cardinals live? Again, I could press this button right here to listen to the story. If I wanted to choose a different animal, remember, I can go back to any of these buttons, and I'm going to press go back to animals, the very first one that we looked at. Okay, some of us want to do our research on mammals. So I clicked on the mammals, I love panda bears. So I'm going to pick the giant panda.
Giant panda.
Oh, I love pandas, but I can't remember their habitat. So I'm going to click on this tab, and then I want to learn about their habitat. I'm going to listen.
Giant pandas live only in China. They make their homes in bamboo forests. They use their paws to climb trees and hold bamboo stems.
I'm going to listen to their food, life cycle, and fun facts. When I find the information I need, I'm going to write it down on my paper, and then we're going to use it in our Wixie project. Have fun!